Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about our newest product, the Guide Rail Mark II. A lot of people may have our original guide rail dogs, and as you can see this is long shaft here that you attach to your track and then slides into your holes, which are allowing you to keep your track perpendicular with your fence system or other dogs that if you're using them. But over time we've noticed that people mention about it's hard to get the dogs out once you've got two of them in line, and it's a constant fight to try and get them out. So there's always been something that I've been cautious on, and I wanted to redesign it, and this is what we have done. So as you can see here, we've got our newest version of the guide rail dogs here, and it comes with these parts here. And what I want to do is I want to explain how these work. The kit comes with these two guide dogs here, and these simply just fit into here and into here. This is where, for example, I've just setting this up here, so this is where you would have your guide rail perpendicular with your track. So, and these tracks are exactly the same as guide rail dogs. They come with the track bolts here, and they come with collars for allowing you to set the heights. These ones are slightly different. These are actually 20 mil. So if you're using them with our fence system, they're not going to get in the way. So it means that you can have your fence all the way to the back here now without it causing any problem. With the larger collar, you had to have your fence a little bit more in forward, which would then reduce down on your cutting area. So that's been something that I've addressed and we've fixed now. So as you can see here, we've got these little indents here, which are all set at the set heights of, you've got your 6 mil, you've got 12 mil, you've got 15 mil, 18 mil, 21 mil and 25 mil. I've also got 19 mil, which is just set around the corner here. This is your 19 mil section. So if I put this here like that and lock that in place, your guide rail dog's all set there on this one as well. So, and if I turn the track upside down, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set one to be set there, and as you can see here, we've machined in a 4 mil hex key here, and this allows you to then tighten up your guide rail dog like so. So that's in there nice and tight. And this one you would leave in loose, because you want to be able to line it up with these two dogs here. The reason for these dogs are that, as you know, by these being a nice perfect fit, it's hard to get them out if you've got them both in line, where this design here now allows you to freely, easily move these out without any friction, and they are precisely made to fit. So as you can see here, this one, which we've tightened up already, we will put in here. And this one, we can freely move till it goes into the hole. And as you can see there then, goes down evenly. So now you've got them in, that's them all perfectly aligned. And then what I'm going to do is use the hex key here. And if you look underneath here, I can now tighten those up, knowing that they are perfectly aligned. Like so. So now what we don't have is the friction on when it comes to remove out the guide rail. So as you can see here now, that easily removes, and you can then easily drop it in place here, and that's all set at your set height. So when you're using this, it's no more causing issues with the whole rocking it to try and get it out. That easily comes up, keeping it nice and even. Once again, straight back in again, drops into place, no problem at all. And the good thing about it is you never have to remove these, because these are seated just below the surface of the MDF top, as long as you've chamfered your holes using our chamfer tool, or if you're using one of our MFT tops already, they already come pre-chamfered. So once again, I can easily just put that in, drop that down, and there you go, perfectly in there as it should be. Now if I wanted to use a workpiece with it, here's just a couple of dogs here, and it's all perfectly in line for you to use. So if I remove this again here, I can put my workpiece here, just using 2 dogs. Drop that in, move that there, and there you go, there's your perfect cut all the way along. And if you want to, you can still utilize our support dog here, which you can use here, which will give you support on the other side, like so, giving you support all the way through. Also, with using the guide rail dogs, you can tell that the cut line is nowhere near your holes. Unlike if you're using dogs to rest against here and using clips, you're always going to be in the middle of those holes, which you don't want to be damaging those. This way keeps it all off of those holes. Hope you like the new product. Let us know in the comments and the feedback. You know, it's always great to hear from people that understand what we do here and understand that we always try and innovate new products and new ways of doing things. And we wanted this to be easier for you, the customer, the woodworker, whether you're a professional or DIYer. It's simple, easy to remove. There you have it. You can check these out on our website today. The link is in the description. Hope to see you purchase these soon. Thanks a lot.